I tried a couple of times. I don't know what was the problem. I'm sorry. My video just went off. And I don't know if it was because I have not deleted for a little while, which it could have been, or it needed extra juice. I haven't decided, but we're gonna try it again. Like I say, you didn't miss as much as you thought you would miss. So what I did was in the main, excuse me, on this wall in here, I went and taped it at the bottom with some masking tape, so they will stay, you know, while it's drying. It'll stay nice and tight. Okay. Then I put in the window wall, and I put glue on the bottom of the windows, you know, wall, and on the side that goes next to this big wall. Okay. And so when I did that, I went and also I went and secure it right here with the masking tape all the way down, really, really good, and also in the bottom. Okay, and I still like a little bit. So, like I said, you didn't miss much, but of course, it's frustrating when you have to do this. Not for me, I feel like it's frustrated for you. So, anyway, it is what it is sometimes, isn't it? Okay, there we go. And like I say, you want it nice and tight. I know it's here somewhere. Oh, I tell you, it's hard to see. It is thin too, but it's hard to see. Like I said, I just want it very nice and very tight so that I don't have to worry about it. There we go. Okay. And here are my L shape right now. Actually, it's bigger than what it looks like, by the way. 10 by 10. It's a pretty good size little room. So anyway, so here we got it. And this is going to help us now start a lot of things. Okay? Let's say this side in here is for, let's see. Actually, what the door is going to be. This is going to be the opening, actually, of the you know, of your vignette, as you want to call it, craft room vignette. So this is going to be the opening. So in here is where I'm going to put the door wall, you know, and you can do the same thing or just omit it altogether. Okay. So like I said, next video will work really good on this, and I probably do put the my wall. Actually, what I'm going to do is work on the window, and then I'm going to do the door on the other wall, and just put it the last minute, because that way it gives me more room to work around in here. You know what I mean? And then we can work on the other room, you know, on the other wall later. So I hope you enjoy this video. I think it's wonderful that you'll want to try, at least one of you do. And I'm happy that you asked for it. The next thing I'm going to tell you, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and as they call it, what is it, margin board? But actually it's like a chipboard, and it's perfect to do the shelves and everything else. Now, I love recycling. So if you can do it with if you want to do it recycling, it's perfectly fine. Just make sure if you use, say, a cereal box, that kind of you know, cardboard. Please sandwich about two of them together, you know, and with wood glue that makes them nice and stiff, and then just put something heavy on it and be ready for it. Okay, so as I said, window frame, door frame, next video. So until next time, stay well, stay crafty, and God bless you.